Friends, welcome to the next session of PowerShell. Today I'm going to tell you how can you make modifications to any user using Set-AdUser command. So let's start it. Write the command Set-AdUser, then the same account name of the user, write the property name which you want to modify, like I want to modify office phone. Write the phone number and enter. So the user has been modified. Just check whether it is really modified or not. So for that we have a command get aduser, username, properties, star for all the properties. Here you are watching the phone number has been modified. You can also modify using identity tab. Let's see how can we do that. Set aduser, use the keyword identity, use the complete reference of the user, like cn equals to the username, where it is located, domain controller name, domain name, not domain controllers, I'm sorry for that, and press enter. No, next thing which you want to modify, office phone, and write the phone number. So this has been modified. Just check it whether it really has been modified or not. You're watching, this has been modified. Fine. This is also another method we can modify a user using Set-AdUser, and that is using the instance parameter. Let's see how can you use an instance parameter. First of all, create a variable which will store the user object. Like I'm creating a user variable, and storing a user Yashpal Pundir to this variable. Press enter. Now you can modify the properties of this variable user, and this is the way. Username, variable name, dot property which you want to modify, like I want to modify only office phone. Fine. Is there any other property you want to modify? You can also do that, like user dot department equals to accounts. Press enter. This has been modified, but these modifications are stored in the variable only. You have to implement these values of the variable to the actual user, and for that you need to give Set-AdUser command. instance, and then the variable name, that is user. Press enter. This must have been modified. We're just trying to check it. We want to display only the office phone and the department. So you're watching here, the department is account, and the office phone has been modified. Fine. So that was a way to make any kind of modifications to any user. Like same, you can modify other properties also. So that's all. Thank you.